Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a feature that's been gaining a lot of attention recently on Instagram, Notes, and more specifically, how to like a note on Instagram. Instagram Notes are a new way to share short status updates with your close friends or people you follow in direct messages, DM section. It's a fun, casual way to share thoughts or ask questions, and interacting with notes by liking them is a great way to engage. Let's get into how you can do that. First, open your Instagram app and go to your direct messages by tapping the messenger icon in the top right corner of the home screen. This is where you'll find notes. Instagram displays them right at the top of the DM screen, just above your active conversation. You'll notice that people you follow may have short notes which look like small status updates or messages. These notes are usually up to 60 characters long and are visible to close friends or followers. Each person's note appears next to their profile picture at the top of your DMs, similar to how Instagram stories are displayed. Now to like a note, tap on the profile picture of the person who posted the note. This will open a quick view of their note, allowing you to interact with it. However, here's where things are a little different. Currently, Instagram doesn't have a direct like button for notes, like it does for posts or stories. Instead, you can respond to a note by tapping on it and send in a quick reply via direct messages. While there's no official like feature yet, replying to a note is the equivalent of acknowledging or reacting to it. So if you see something funny, interesting, or a question someone has posted in a note, just tap on it and you'll be able to send a quick message in a response. This can be anything from simple emojis to a short message, depending on how you want to engage. If Instagram adds a specific like button for notes in a future update, I'll be sure to update you on how to use it. But for now, the best way is to show your support or interest in someone's notes by replying. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you clarify how to engage with Instagram notes, and while there isn't direct like feature yet, replying is a great way to show your appreciation or thoughts. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of Instagram's feature. And if you have any questions, requests for future videos, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.